When working in Photoshop, sometimes your image isn't quite perfect. This image of my friend, I would like to make her skin tones pop a little bit. It's a little bit flat, a little bit dull. And there are a couple of things we can do just to lift it. To start with, I'm going to use curves. So image, adjustments, and curves. This little box pops up. You can grab it and move it wherever you want to. I'm going to click on the line and just lift a little bit. I don't want to go too far. I want to go that way. I'm just going to lift it a tiny little bit just to make the skin pop a little bit and make the image a little bit brighter. As you can see, that's just lifted her skin tones very easily. The other thing you can do with your image if curves isn't working is we can use something called levels, and this works in exactly the same way. So image, adjustments, and levels. This, you have three options. You have your shadows, your midtones, and your highlights, and this will adjust each one. So I like to just lift the midtones a tiny little bit, lift the highlights a little bit, and sometimes take the shadows down just a touch. And there again, we've had the same effect, and we've just make the skin tone pop a little bit.